Hi, everyone. This is Susan Passmore, and I'm going to be with you for a few weeks in the Culture Confident Engagement for Translational Research Building Trust workshop that we'll be doing over 4 weeks, a virtual workshop. And I just wanted to show you a little bit of one of the tools that we'll be using throughout. And it's called Mural. It's a virtual whiteboard and is also what we're using for the very first activity before we get into class. It's a little introductory activity to get us used to working with Mural, just a little bit. Okay, when you click on a link, one of the Mural links that I've given you either in the participant guide or an email, you'll find yourself in something that looks like this. It looks like a big whiteboard. You'll be at some point in this. It could be that you're very far away from the whiteboard, or it could be that you're considerably closer to the whiteboard. And to move back and forth, you can use the scroll on your mouse, the top of your mouse. You can also use on this bottom right-hand corner, this little handy dandy tool on the bottom, smaller and bigger. Okay. And then also to navigate around the mirror, you can also use this map. If you click on things, it'll bring you into that place on the mural, on the whiteboard. So I'm going to bring this back over to center, and I just clicked on this, held down on the left click, and just dragged it. You can do that to move around as well. Okay, so to do this little task we have set for you, you need to come into the mural and let's look at the instructions. Locate your box below and use sticky notes to post 2 things you hope to get out of the workshop and 1 thing you feel that you bring. So you'll notice that you have a box somewhere in here, hopefully. You can move around and find your name. And each of the boxes has 3 Post-its or sticky notes, 2 yellow for what you're hoping to get out of the workshop and 1 pink for what you bring. You can add more too if you'd like. But just to get used to using Mural and the sticky note function, let's just at least do this. So I've already given you Post-its, so you just kind of need to pick one up and start typing on it. And I pick it up by clicking once on it, and it has like a blue outline. And I can type right away. I'm still pretty far away though, so I might want to click on this magnifying glass. And that brings me right into my sticky note. So one thing that I hope to get out, I'm looking forward to getting out of the workshop is meeting all of you. So I'm just going to type that using my keyboard. And then click outside the Post-it and you're done. You can move around. One thing I think I bring, do the same thing. So I've clicked on it. You can see that it's blue. I'm already pretty close, and now I can use my keyboard to type, knowing how to use Mural, which I do a little bit. I'm not an expert. It's going hot. And it's pretty much just click around there. So, and then again, click outside of it, and there it is. I can scroll back and forth. So that's all I'm going to ask you to do for this exercise right now. If you are curious about moving around, I invite you to look at all these functions over here and see what you can do with them. Here's another option for getting sticky notes if you want more. You can also, though, double click anywhere and a sticky note will appear. And you can change the color of the sticky note right here. But that's it. I don't want to show you any more. We'll learn more as we go along. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon.